This is way bigger than I thought. It's been quite a while since I did a morning mission, but there is also a thing about doing morning missions because you're probably one of the first people on the spot you are going to. So I miss like the process of doing a morning mission, but today we are on it. So here in Sweden we don't have like insanely amount of waterfalls, but there is a couple of few of them, and one of those isn't too far away from here. So the waterfall is actually placed on a golf course. I do actually think that I hear it from here. So doing morning missions like this, it isn't always about the results or what you capture or the photo or the video. So for me it's more about the experience, and if I grab a good photo or a video, that is just a bonus, but it's just the experience of like the travel to the location, the like little planning you may be having, or yeah, it's the things around the morning missions. So I hear the waterfall and I also have seen a glimpse of it, and yeah, it's looking good. So I'll probably shoot everything in 4K 60 and a couple of frames in 24 and hopefully get some good photos. This is way bigger than I thought. That was very surprising of how beautiful it was. So it wasn't the last time I'm going to be in here. So I'm spitting facts about myself now. And you now know that I've played soccer for a long time, but I guess you don't know that I've played golf for almost, not as long as I've played soccer, but amount of time, well, I probably am about the same. Yeah, I thought it was getting quite warm. 26 degrees. Oh, yeah, not wonder it was getting kind of hot in a hoodie. So I don't know if it was a successful mission or not, but I think I got one banger photo. If you want to see the photo, well, head over to my Instagram because I have probably posted over there. So we are back here again, and yeah, and the rain is also incoming. The DJI drone is still, even though it has a couple of years on its back, but it still delivers an insanely good quality when it comes to drone videos. So we have a 1-inch sensor that delivers a 20 megapixel 5.4K at 30 frames per second, and you also have an 8K hyperlapse mode. So there's a lot of power in this drone. Somebody left their camping bag here. Feels like the only thing that I do in my vlogs is like taking walks or just throwing some trash. And we're also gonna have to pack today because tomorrow morning we're heading off to the southern part of Sweden as traditionally. So we are gonna go there and visit some relatives and exploring a little bit. And yeah, Malmö, well, it's kind of a beautiful place, and yeah, I love it there.